In a small village, there lived a cheerful cobbler who spent his days repairing shoes and singing from morning until night. Though he earned little, he was content with his simple life, finding happiness in his work and in the peace of mind that came with having enough. His neighbor, a wealthy banker, was intrigued by the cobbler's constant happiness. The banker, who had more money than he could spend, often felt stressed and could not understand how someone with so little could be so content. One day, the banker asked, "How much do you earn in a year?" The cobbler smiled and replied, "Just enough to meet my daily needs, and I'm happy with that." Puzzled, the banker said, "You must struggle. Take this money, it will make your life easier." He handed the cobbler 50,000 taka. At first, the cobbler hesitated, but eventually he accepted the money, thanking the banker for his generosity. However, after taking the money, the cobbler's peace vanished. He became anxious, constantly worrying that the money would be stolen. He buried it in his house, but the fear of losing it kept him awake at night. He no longer sang, and his once joyful life was consumed by worry. After several sleepless nights, the cobbler realized that the money had brought him nothing but stress. Early one morning, he returned the money to the banker, saying, "This has only caused me anxiety. I've lost my peace. Please take it back." The cobbler resumed his simple life, content and free from worry. He learned that true happiness comes from contentment, not wealth. Though still perplexed, the rich banker began to see that more money didn't always mean more joy. Moral happiness lies in contentment, not in wealth.